Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how, how to create an photo album in a PowerPoint presentation. So first click on the start button, click on PowerPoint. रुको जरा सबर करो आएगा आएगा Patience is the key to success. Oh, come back रे. We can. So we have to upload a blank page. Not upload, we have to click. That's my mistake. So then on insert tab in the photo album, sorry, images group. Yeah, in photo album option. New photo album, click that. Then click on file this button or option something. Then you can select any of the option in which your picture is downloaded. And my picture is downloaded in desktop in my folder. So I have took the pictures of superheroes. So you can pick whichever picture you want. So I think I want to select all. So if to select all, just click on Control A. So I have selected. It is selected. You can select 3 or 4 any pictures you want. Then insert tab. Then here are the pictures that you have selected. Then click on the create option. So we have created a photo album. Yeah, see this. So now, if you want to edit a photo album, we will edit this only photo album. So insert tab, of course, images group, photo album option, edit and photo album. So last time when we were doing new photo album, when we were clicking, so there was no option as edit photo album. But if we have made a photo album fully, then only you have to edit now. So edit photo album is there. Edit photo album. Here you can rotate, or here you can rotate or remove anything you will do, or add a background on this. You can do anything. We'll learn. So I think I want to choose Captain America. So we have to select. Then I want to rotate it left, right, like this. We can do. See? ये मजा. Then left, right, anything. Then if you want to increase your contrast, so decrease. If you want to increase the brightness, decrease. Yeah. So I think this is perfect. Then I will click on update button. So this is America. Then see this. So Galaxy University ऐसा लगता है. So now we will learn how to remove or do the photo to upwards downwards. That example that I want to keep this up and this down. This is also an option to keep down and up. And पहले से अगर हम फोटो एल्बम बना रहे हैं तब से हम लोग को चाहिए सो फोटो एल्बम एडिट में ही जाने का क्या देन upwards. So I have selected this Wonder Woman. Remove. मेरे को remove नहीं करना sorry. So here upwards नहीं आ रहा because it is already in the first place. So downwards करेंगे. I want to keep it third. And then I want to remove this. So I will remove superhero. ऐसे. And then if you want to add the text box, like if you want to write the text in it, so you can add new text box. जितना text चाहिए उतना add कर सकते हैं. And I want to do this of course Superman people. And this um, and this I want to do Captain America. So this is done. Now we will click on update button. So see, text box is there. You can see. Now, नहीं लग रहा है कि खाली खाली लग रहा है. I mean black. Not good, na? So if you want to put a background on it, of course, अपना रोज का काम edit photo album. So you can see theme, इधर theme है, and then you can type the theme or browse में जाने का. So these are the themes: gallery, fact, and these all are themes. We'll choose ordinary. Then select button, update button. Yeah, this is our, background. And now let's add the text. Let's add text about Iron Man. So we will write Iron Man is a superhero. Spelling correct, है ना? Please. Hero. And then let's write text here. टेक्स्ट यहाँ पर ब्राउन वाला इसमें आ रहा है. So just click on space bar and you can do. Or else if you want to write it in center, go on home tab. But ये left to the right side है. So this is center. That is left side. This is center. This is right side. So that's center number. Okay. This is the center. So we will write about Superman. चलो, Superman is also an super हीरो. ठीक है. अभी ये सेंटर में किया है, ये साइड में किया है, नहीं लगता है ना गाइस. So let's select it and we can play. Now it's looking better. So this is our photo album. Now let's see it in presentation. So ये भी ऑप्शन है प्रेजेंटेशन का, स्लाइड शो. आप डायरेक्टली ऐसे स्लाइड शो कर सकते हो. बट इधर स्लाइड शो ऑप्शन में यहाँ पर भी स्लाइड शो का ऑप्शन है फ्रॉम बिगनिंग. सी लाइक दिस. मैं आपको वो वाला छोटा वाला ऑप्शंस भी दिखाती हूँ. ये ऐसे क्या, फ्रॉम बिगनिंग, स्लाइड शो टैब में फ्रॉम बिगनिंग. एंड देन इधर ये ऑप्शन है स्लाइड शो का इधर. बट हम लोग ने फ्रॉम बिगनिंग में नहीं किया है. सो ये देखो लास्ट ये टैब है, तो हम लोग करेंगे डायरेक्ट फोटो एल्बम में इधर ऐसे. देन विल क्लिक ऑन. सो दिस इज आवर प्रेजेंटेशन. लेट्स सी फोटो एल्बम. ये आयरन मैन की पिक्चर है. देन आयरन मैन इज अ सुपर हीरो. हम लोग ने टेक्स्ट टाइप किया. देन दिस इज व्हाट समथिंग कुछ है. मैं ज्यादा करती हूँ सब लोग को. मैंने कहा या आई रिमेम्बर. देन सुपरमैन के बारे में लिखा है. दिस इज सुपरमैन and our slideshow is. So this is our slideshow. Hope you enjoy this video. So please like, share and subscribe the video. So bye bye.